आय केरांत फुडाराक आमकां सुपर स्पेशलिटी ट्रिटमेंटाची गरज आसा। करंजोळचे एएसज हॉस्पिटल ताचो उणो भरून काडटले। हाचे आदीं मुंबय आनी चेन्नय वचचें पडटालें। ह्या फुडें गोंयांतच ही सोय निर्माण जातली। गोंयकारांचो वेळ आनी पयसोय वाटावतलो, मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतान सांगलें। एएसज ह्या दोळ्यांच्या हॉस्पिटलाची गोंयांत करंजळे पयली शाखा सुरू जाल्या। उत्तर आनी ईशान्येकडल्या राज्यांनी एएसजीचें नांव आसा। शाखेच्या उक्तावणा वेळार मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंत, भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे, येणावळ मंत्री जेनिफर मोन्सेरात आणि विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी दिगंबर कामत हजर आशिल्ले।
I think you are across the 36 cities you are established, you all the experts peoples you have. Definitely you have already associated with the government of Goa for the different programs, for the different schemes of the under the DDSS also. In future we require the super specialty treatment in the eye care, which is already so many people they are always traveling out of the Goa for the super specialty, especially in the Mumbai and Chennai, I think so. And for that purpose we are giving the mediclaim also. I think if you can come under the mediclaim scheme, then definitely the so many people will save their time and money also. Definitely if they get the super specialty treatment here, then that will be the best for the people of Goa. I think the private players in the healthcare should come in the state of Goa. Definitely when there is an investment from the private sector, it is always good that we are welcoming this type of investment. So jointly the government and the private sector can do better for the people of the Goa. In future also, now you have come in the specialty in the eye care. In future we are welcoming for the other groups also to come in the state of Goa, and along with the partners we can do much better for the people of Goa.
एएसजी हॉस्पिटल हे डिसेंबर 2015 ते जोधपूर राजस्थानात सुरू जाल्ले। दोतोर अरुण सिंघवी आणि दोतोर शशांक गंग हांणी ते सुरू केल्ले। संवसारांतले हे आघाडीचे दोळ्यांचे सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल। अत्याधुनीक तंत्रज्ञाना वांगडा ते दुयेंतींच्या दोळ्याची पुराय जतनाय घेता। देशात तांचे 37 फाटे आसात। करंजळेच्या ऑडी शोरूमा सकल आशिल्लें हे हॉस्पिटल निदान उपचारा सयत सगळे तरेच्यो सेवा एकेच कडेन दिता। गोवा 365 खातीर श्याम च्यारी।